Good morning, students. In our last WhatsApp class, we have discussed some portions of negatives and interrogatives. In that class, I have already introduced you what is sentence and kinds of a sentence. And in that class, I have already discussed on the basis of a clause, sentence can be divided into three types. One is your simple sentence having one clause, compound sentence more than one clauses, and complex sentence also more than one clauses. And in that class I have already told you also simple sentence can be divided into four types. One is your declarative, which is otherwise known as assertive or statement. The next one is interrogative, and the next one is also imperative, and the last one is your exclamatory. Some grammarian, they have also categorized sentences into five types, and in that five types another types of a sentence is included, that is the optative sentence. Students, you know all the kinds of sentences, declarative, interrogative and imperative sentences have both affirmative and negative forms, but the exclamatory sentence does not usually take a negative. Students, let us discuss the formation of negative and interrogatives according to tense wise. Take some examples. First, your in present tense indefinite form, I give you a sentence: I play football. I play football. This is its affirmative form. Let us change this affirmative sentence into negative sentence. I don't play football. I do not play football. You see, this is its I do not play football. Play football. This is its full form. This can be written in its contracted form. I don't play football. Play football. This is its contracted form. And you see, I play football. This is affirmative. I do not play football. This is negative, and it is its full form. And I don't play football. This is its what? Contracted form. Okay. Let us change this affirmative sentence into interrogative form. Let us. This was I play football. I will change into interrogative sentence like do I play football? Do I play football? You see, this is its interrogative form. Students, you know, interrogative sentence can be categorized into two types. One is your WH words interrogative, and the next one is your yes or no interrogative. Students, you remember one thing. Whenever we change an affirmative sentence into an interrogative sentence, first we have to change the affirmative sentence into your yes or no interrogative sentence. Then, using WH words, we can change that yes or no interrogative sentence into WH words interrogative. Let us take, do I play football? This is yes or no interrogative. Yes or no interrogative. Interrogative. Yes or no interrogative. Okay? Students, you remember one thing. Here, this sentence is in present tense and your what? Indefinite form. And its structure is subject plus verb 1 and object is there. Object is there. Okay, this is its affirmative form. You know, here is verb 1 and do verb is mixed with this verb. Whenever we change this affirmative sentence into interrogative sentence or negative sentence, this do verb is used. What I told you previously. Here is do I play football? That means here do plus subject plus main verb and your object. This is your yes or no interrogative format. Whenever we change this interrogative yes or no interrogative sentence into WH words interrogative, we just do one thing. With this yes or no interrogative sentence, we just add a WH words. Suppose you see, do I play football? This is your yes or no interrogative. Whenever we change this yes or no interrogative into WH words interrogative, WH words or WH words will be added to this sentence. Let us write. Where do I play football? Football. Students, you see. Do I play football? Is your yes or no interrogative sentence. I did nothing. Just WH words where is added to this sentence. As a result, this yes or no sentence, yes or no interrogative sentence changed into your WH word sentence. Okay? Similarly, we can change in present progressive sentences. First, let us write an affirmative sentence. Suppose I am playing football. I am playing football. You see, this is an affirmative sentence, and you know this sentence is in present tense and progressive aspect. Present tense and progressive aspect. I can change this present progressive sentence into interrogative. What I have told you, first I have to change this affirmative sentence into yes or no interrogative sentence. Students, you remember one thing. Whenever we change an affirmative sentence in present progressive, we do nothing. We do one thing. What do we do? Here is your auxiliary verb. And to change this affirmative sentence into yes or no interrogative sentence, let us put this auxiliary just before the subject. Let us change this affirmative sentence into yes or no interrogative sentence. Am I playing football? Am I playing football? You see, I have changed a little bit. Just this auxiliary am is put first, next is your subject, then it is its what ing form of the main verb, and then is your object, that is football. So this affirmative sentence changed into yes or no interrogative sentence. What I told you previously, if I will change this yes or no interrogative sentence into WH word interrogative sentence, just a WH word will be put with this sentence, so that this yes or no interrogative sentence will be changed into WH words interrogative. Let us write where am I playing football. You see, this yes or no interrogative sentence changed into your WH words interrogative sentence. Is it? Similarly, I can change sentences in which there is use of present perfect aspect. Suppose I have played football. I have played football. Played football. You see, this sentence is in, this is in present perfect progressive, present perfect, and this is in affirmative format. Now let us change this affirmative sentence into your interrogative sentence. I have already told you. First, let us change its affirmative format to yes or no interrogative format. Whenever we change an affirmative sentence in this aspect, we change or we put the auxiliary in the first position, then your subject, then main verb, and then your object if there is a object. Okay, let us change. Have I played football? Have I played football? You see, I have changed a very little bit. I have shifted this auxiliary into first position before the subject. Similarly, this sentence can be changed into WH words interrogative with the adding a WH words with this yes or no interrogative. Students, in the next class, it will be discussed what it is left, the tense, like your present perfect progressive and all the aspects of your what past tense. Thank you all.